Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making chicken and broccoli, macaroni and cheese. First, I started off by seasoning the chicken. Now I'm just mixing it up really well. So I added a little oil to the pan. Now I'm adding the chicken in. I'm just gonna let that cook. Now that the chicken is done, I'm gonna be putting it on a plate. And then I'm going to start on the broccoli. And then I'm going to be making my noodles. When the noodles was done, I went ahead and seasoned them. I added 3 eggs. I'm just mixing it up. Then I'm going to add some cheese. Now I'm going to be adding some milk. Okay, so now it's time to add the chicken and then the broccoli. So I'm just stirring everything up really well. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, now I'm just going to be adding it into the pan, and then I'm going to be adding some cheese on top. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when I post more videos. After I added the cheese, I put it in the oven, and now I'm going to show you how it looks.